Scotty?
I'm trying to find my flashlight because I don't remember where I put it.
Your flashlight?
Yep. So.
I see you got my cool box.
Yeah, these things are so neat. They really are.
I still like my idea, though. I'm just kidding.
You never know. So, okay, here we go. So, I had to get the car washed. I had to. It was dirty. Well, now it's all nice and cleaned up.
We had to sprinkle, what was it, last week?
Yeah.
And
so, I've been chasing wires. I can't see 100% up in the dash. You know, so I need to grab a flashlight real quick. So I've been chasing wires for the past hour or so. It's too bright outside, and I don't have a dark enough garage to pull it into to double check. But last I saw, for when I was putting everything in for the dashboard, some of the lights lit up. But I can't see if all of them are lighting up. It's just too bright outside, so I'll have to wait until tonight when it gets dark. I'll come back out and, you know, check the lights. But I just want to make sure all the fuses are good. Everything appears to be coming on and off like it's supposed to. But I'm just double checking. I want to make sure that there's no issues whatsoever, because we still have to do the alignment and get that taken care of. So I'm going to start popping the last couple of fuses out and put the new ones in, just so we know we're good with everything that we've done and that we've touched. But on that note, it's going to be a short video again, just to keep you guys updated. And I think that's going to be it for the moment, guys.
all right.
We'll show you guys. Hopefully the last one will be the alignment. And let me check my list real quick.
Oh man, I had such a glare on the screen I couldn't tell if it was recording or not.
Alignment. Oh, the door striker's done. Got it.
Shh.
And I can't do these till we get okay from the client, because I'm going to have to cut the seat. I can't get my hand up in there. So that's on hold till we hear something from the client. Okay, on that note, what do we say, Bobby?
Deuces.